very windy.
Oh, it's chilly in here. I'm really getting.
They're all taking a picture.
Hurricane a coming. Stand fast. Secure the rigging. It's a category 5 hurricane.
Hurricane.
It's a
Wow, look at that wind blowing. Hey!
He subdued the
That
hurricane.
candle blew itself out
Do
from the
you see
storm.
the rotation code?
Could you see the eye of the
See the eye of
hurricane?
the hurricane right there in the middle, and this is the rotation.
I never
Judy
saw a
do
hurricane.
that? Can I sit here?
Mommy did it.
Yay, Mommy!
Yay!
Oh, what a mom.
What a mom.
I'm telling you.
Go for it. Happy birthday, kid. How is it?
Great.
Close your mind.
Very waxy.
It is cheesecake.
That's great wax.
It is
Yeah.
it is hurricane cheesecake. Would you like a slice for dessert, birthday boy?
I'm gonna go get
Would you
my
like a
fork.
slice?
Sure.
I'm, you know, I have to cut it first.
Of course.
Oh, it's already.
It's already
sliced.
separated.
Fred was sitting there and he went,
Oh, yeah.